It all began in the Swedish wilderness, where light was worth more than gold. Little Ingvar knew even a tiny flame could change the world. At age 5, he started his first business, selling matches to neighbors. Every coin in his piggy bank was a step toward a dream. He lived on the Elmtared farm in the village of Agunarid. From these letters and his name, a legend would be born. At 17, he received a gift from his father for good grades, money for a company. Back then, he had no store, just the mail and faith. Milk trucks became his first courier service, delivering orders across the county. Inside the parcels were pens, wallets, everything Ingvar could source. But the real explosion happened when Ingvar decided to sell furniture. IKEA furniture became a sensation, but success bred powerful enemies. Sweden's furniture cartel was furious. They declared war on Ingvar. Suppliers were banned from selling to him. Shelves were going empty. But Ingvar wouldn't back down. He decided people must see the truth for themselves. Thus, the first showroom was born, a place where quality could be felt. It was a challenge to the system. Prices were low and people's faith was limitless. But the cartel struck back, completely cutting off supplies in Sweden. If I can't buy furniture here, I'll find it across the sea, he decided. 1961, he headed to Poland. It was the beginning of a new era, but transporting finished furniture was too expensive. They were literally transporting air. And then, trying to fit a table into a car, his assistant Gillis did the unthinkable. He simply unscrewed the legs so the table would be flat. In that moment, the IKEA we know was born. The flat pack revolution. 1965, the largest store opens in Stockholm. Thousands came for furniture they could assemble themselves. But Ingvar noticed, a hungry customer is a bad customer. Thus, the legendary meatballs appeared in stores. The store became a place where you could spend the whole day. And to bring IKEA to every home, he created the book. But Sweden was not enough. The world was waiting. Every new store opened doors to a world of affordable design. Ingvar Kamprad always said, "Home is the most important place on earth." He built an empire, but remained a humble dreamer. From a tiny match, a flame ignited that warmed millions.